Hello lovelies, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, Tinashe Hair. I am so in love with this wig. I think this may be one of my favorites, okay? One of my favorites for the year, even though the year just started. But these are all of the gifts that I get along with this informational card that comes with to teach you how to properly care for the hair, and a lot more information on the product here on the box. Go ahead, pause it, take a screenshot if you need to. You can see all of the information on this wig as well as in the description box below. So if you want more deets as in details if you want more details on this wig, then make sure you check the links and all of the information in the description box below, because I have all of the info there. Now listen, in this video I am going over and beyond to try not to use baby hair if I don't have to. I'm not speaking against baby hair, but just in my life I just don't want to no more. In 2022 I just don't want to. I'm grown. Okay, my baby hair in real life got like bills and kids. My baby hair has got a 9-year-old and a 10-year-old. So I'm trying to do the 9-year-old and 10-year-old look. You know, give me a comment below if you know what I mean, you know, but it's gonna be really simple. I'm just using some foam wrap and hairspray to get this done. So make sure you leave me some comments below if you have any questions or anything, if you get confused, because I'm not gonna talk the whole way through this, but I'm gonna try to make it look real good without baby hair. Give me your honest opinion. How do you think I did at the end without baby hair? Just be honest, for real, because your mama and God gonna know if you lying.
Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, our love. You forgetting all about us, oh. Ma jolie, oh ma jolie, where are you when I need you the most? You still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking, telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parlement t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, yo, wall up. Wall up, you can't even get the scars up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you forgetting all about us, oh. Ma jolie, oh ma jolie, where you been when I need you the most? You still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. This is called your bluffing. Made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Yeah. it off, cool it off. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off, cool it off? I don't know how to cool it off. My jolie, oh my jolie.